Why do you not run a triple pass radiator?
I've never seen one be able to cool a dirt car.
Let's talk about how these work, though.
All right, so one of my dad's really good friends was Howard Stewart, and Howard explained it to us years ago. I mean, he's been at my shop, and him and my dad, like I said, were really good friends. And according to Howard, like when you go to a double pass, you cut flow by 33%. So when you go to a triple pass, you cut it by 66%. So in an asphalt car where you've got ram air, everything else going on,
electric fan,
all that shit going on, it works just fine. In a dirt car, we cannot make that thing cool because you're reducing flow by 66%. So you'd have to up flow by 66% to make that damn thing cool. And that's really honestly not possible. I mean, it could be possible, but you're just costing yourself a bunch of power.